Nolo Family Law Document App. The pros, the cons. The Nolo Family Law Document App is designed to simplify complex legal paperwork for divorces, child custody, and support agreements, but most people get this wrong by assuming they need a lawyer for every step. The surprising truth is that this app lets you create legally valid documents quickly, affordably, and accurately. One major pro is accessibility. Users can fill out forms for divorce filings, child support agreements, or parenting plans from home, guided by step-by-step instructions. For example, a parent navigating a custody agreement can complete documents in a few hours without hours of confusing legal research. Another advantage is cost-effectiveness. Traditional attorney fees for family law can run into the thousands, but Nolo offers a fraction of that cost, making legal compliance attainable for more families. The app also includes explanations of legal terms, helping users understand the implications of each document. However, there are cons. The app may not fully account for complex family situations, high-asset divorces, or unique state-specific laws. Over-reliance without legal consultation could risk errors or disputes. Users should still consult a lawyer for complicated scenarios or if they anticipate conflicts. In conclusion, the Nolo Family Law Document App is a practical solution for those seeking a straightforward, affordable approach to family law paperwork. While it doesn't replace personalized legal advice in complicated cases, it empowers individuals with clarity, convenience, and confidence in handling routine family law documents.